Now, if you have everything connected correctly, and if you went to the device manager, I did hook up my board, so you should see your board in the COM ports in the name of C or Silicon Labs, which is the driver that we just installed in the previous lesson. Now we know that our board is connected to COM4. Let's head back to our software. Make sure that you are choosing the right board. Do it ESP32 DevKit version 1, and go back again to select the board, choose COM4. Now you can go to the examples and check some of the Wi-Fi examples. As you can see here, we have more than one. You can check the Wi-Fi scan example. Now this is our new sketch. As you can see, it's using the Wi-Fi library. You don't have to have any knowledge or previous experience to use this example. All what you need to do now is simply click upload. Now it's compiling the sketch and it's uploading that sketch to our ESP32 board. It usually takes some time since Arduino isn't the native coding app for ESP boards. As you can see, it's connecting using COM4 to write the ESP code. Now it's writing the code 4%, 100%. Now it's hard resetting the ESP board. As you can see from this menu, it shows us all of the details. Again, the writing process takes some time. Now, as you can see, done uploading. So go and open up serial monitor. Make sure that you have selected the right baud rate. As you can see now, the ESP board started the Wi-Fi scan, and once it's done, it will show you the networks that are available in your area. I have these 3 networks. As you can see, one of them has a very weak signal. That's why it's coming and going. So this is my network and this is someone's network. Now we have 3 networks. So as you can see, we have just uploaded our very first code to ESP32 board, and this is a code example for Wi-Fi scan process. Next, we are going to dig deeper and start talking about how to test the LED on that board and how to control different elements using that board. Then we will move on to the web page thing. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.